to the channel. Today's discussion centers on a detailed comparison of the leading mid-range smartphones of 2025. The devices under review include the Vivo T3 Pro, Vivo T4, Samsung Galaxy A35, CMF Phone 2 Pro, Realme Natso 80 Pro, iQOO Z10 5G, Oppo K13, Poco X7, Moto Edge 50 Fusion, and Samsung Galaxy S55. This analysis aims to determine which smartphone offers the best value for money based on various essential features. Beginning with displays, all featured smartphones come equipped with 120Hz refresh rates, although brightness and panel quality vary significantly across models. The Vivo T3 Pro and T4 both utilize 6.77-inch AMOLED panels, providing immersive visual experiences that enhance gaming and video playback. The Realme Natso 80 Pro distinguishes itself with a high-brightness OLED screen, ideal for outdoor visibility, ensuring that users can enjoy content even in bright sunlight. Samsung's A35 and F55 incorporate Super AMOLED technology, recognized for delivering deep blacks and vibrant colors, making them excellent choices for media consumption. The Poco X7 also stands out with its 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, enhancing overall viewing quality and providing sharp images. For users who prioritize slim designs, the CMF Phone 2 Pro and Motorola Edge 50 Fusion offer premium aesthetics and build quality. Both devices are designed to feel comfortable in hand while maintaining a sleek profile. This attention to design detail appeals to consumers who appreciate both style and functionality in their smartphones. In terms of performance, the Vivo T3 Pro leads the pack with its Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, ensuring robust capabilities for demanding applications and multitasking. The Realme Natso 80 Pro and Poco X7 are also strong contenders, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 and 7300 Ultra, respectively, providing excellent performance for gaming and productivity tasks. The iQOO Z10 and Vivo T4 feature the reliable Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, which ensures smooth operation across various tasks, from social media browsing to gaming. The Samsung A35, while competent, utilizes the Exynos 1380, which is slightly less powerful than its competitors. For casual users, any of these devices will perform adequately, but gamers and multitaskers will benefit most from the Vivo T3 Pro or Realme Natso 80 Pro for optimal performance. Battery life is a critical consideration for smartphone users, and the Vivo T4 excels with its substantial 7300 mAh battery and 90 watts charging capability. This combination allows users to enjoy extended usage without frequent recharging, making it ideal for heavy users. The Realme Natso 80 Pro also offers impressive endurance with a 6000 mAh battery, ensuring that users can go through a full day of usage without worry. Most other smartphones, including the Samsung A35, feature 5000 mAh batteries, but charging speeds differ significantly. The Poco X7 supports rapid 67 watts charging, allowing users to quickly power up their devices when needed, while Samsung maintains a slower 25 watt standard, which may not meet the expectations of fast-paced users. For those prioritizing fast charging, it is advisable to consider Vivo, Realme, or Poco over Samsung. When examining camera capabilities, most smartphones in this comparison offer either 50MP or 64MP main cameras, catering to photography enthusiasts. The Samsung F55 and A35 include optical image stabilization, enhancing their ability to capture steady shots, particularly in challenging conditions. The Vivo T3 Pro and iQOO Z10 deliver decent image quality, although low light performance may vary. The Realme Natso 80 Pro and CMF Phone 2 Pro also feature solid camera systems, with some models providing telephoto or ultra-wide support for diverse photography options, making them suitable for various shooting scenarios. Software experience is another essential factor in this comparison. Samsung stands out by offering 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches, which is the most comprehensive support in this lineup. This commitment to software longevity ensures that users can enjoy the latest features and security enhancements for an extended period. Motorola and Vivo provide a clean user interface but offer fewer guaranteed updates, which may concern users who value long-term software support. The CMF Phone 2 Pro and Poco come equipped with custom skins and additional features, though they may not receive long-term support, making them less appealing for users who prioritize software longevity. Now, here is the final ranking based on overall value and performance. 1. Vivo T3 Pro, best performance and balance, ideal for power users. 2. Realme Natso 80 Pro, excellent battery life, fast performance, and affordability. 3. iQOO Z10, reliable all-rounder, suitable for various tasks. 4. CMF Phone 2 Pro, innovative design with a smooth user interface, appealing to style-conscious users. 5. Samsung F55, impressive display with long-term software updates, great for media consumption. 6. Vivo T4, large battery with decent specifications, perfect for everyday use. 7. Poco X7, strong performance for the price, excellent value for budget-conscious consumers. 8. Moto H50 Fusion, clean user interface with adequate specifications, offering a balanced experience. 9. Oppo K13, large battery with entry-level performance, suitable for basic tasks. 10. Samsung A35, good display, but underwhelming specifications for the price, making it less competitive. Which smartphone stands out as the best choice? Share insights in the comments section. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech comparisons. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next episode.